Here's a very interesting news story. The the musical group Chainsmokers and the skateboarding legend Tony Hawk have gotten together to buy stakes in what is called public.com. Essentially, it's an app that makes it more friendly to invest and trade stocks. It's an investment app, and it allows you to trade apps and stuff while socializing. Public.com announced a 65 million Series C funding after 9 months and its 15 million Series B. The company says its aim is to change the culture of the stock market. Now, they say a lot of people find the stock market very scary, intimidating. It's not a welcoming place. Well, no, it wouldn't be. It's a vicious competition. That's the very nature of the beast. But Leif Abram, the CEO of Public.com, wants to change that. The stock market seems scary because its culture is. The communities that have sprung up around are mostly traders and therefore tend to be male-dominated and not welcoming of new investors and short-term focused. This has the effect that they can feel closer to gambling culture than to investing culture. Imagine that. Investors not caring about the long term and only about immediate profits. It's almost like that's the logic of capital or something. But I digress. Because this kind of really blows my mind. Users can buy and sell fractional shares of stocks. ETFs follow popular business and finance news and share ideas with the community. And 40% of the app's investors, the people who of the investment community, of those who use this app to invest nicely, are women. So naturally, if you oppose this means you're sexist. So other people invested in this are, as I said, Tony Hawk, Will Smith, the former head of Time Warner, Dick Parsons, and NYU business professor Scott Galloway. Their idea is to make investing more friendly. As you're hedging bets on commodities across the world that condemn billions to poverty, you need a nice, welcome, opening environment for the unmitigated evil that is capitalism. And the worst aspect of it, finance capital. That's pretty much what it is. Let's take the literal evil of capitalism that can be sometimes very, very hard and mean to the investor, the person profiting off of the misery of billions of people, and making it a nice, inclusive, welcome space. The neoliberalism here is utterly staggering. It's one thing for them to complain, the stock market and stock trading and all that finance stuff doesn't look at the long term, only the short term gain. And just pretending the system doesn't do that, or that's not the logic of investing to begin with. But to turn around and try to make it like nicer and happier for people so that they can feel better, a more inclusive, welcoming space for brutal oppression and exploitation. I guess that's neoliberalism in a nutshell. This is feel-good capitalism, like ethical funds and stuff like that. Because we got to get those millennials who don't have any capital to invest to begin with to start doing so, and should make it a much more inclusive and happy place so that everyone can get together and screw the third world. Thank you for watching. If you like this program, then please head over to my Patreon page and set up a monthly donation. It's your donations that keep this program running. Also, if you would like, please rate, comment, subscribe, and share in various social media.